Si Ate Ritz from Windsor, Canada. Emilu, may pamilya pa yan pero iniwan niya yung pamilya niya para sa akin. Thank you. And from Chicago, na lahat na yata ng concerts, pinuntahan nito eh. So, tama ba ako? Si Lester. Si Lester po ang gumagawa ng website namin, ng pjp.com. piolosepascual.com pala, no? So if you want to visit our site, nandun po, same people, same faces. Tita Mila, Tita Evelyn, and Tita Annie. Yan po yung mayayapang kong kaibigan sa Chicago. From Virginia, Ate Lisa.
Ate Lisa!
Tita Lisa, Lola Lisa. From Maryland, we have Mommy Vin and Vanjie. And from Vancouver, Tita Flor. Isa pa mayaman na kaibigan niya. Tiglenda. Nandito siya, Tiglenda. San Francisco, ang lola ko, si Tita Jeanette. Marie and Gary C. From Wisconsin, si Vicky Walker. Thank you. And the Piolo girls who are all from LA. Actually, meron ba kayong ilaw dito, spotlight? I just like to show you these girls. Talagang, you know, kinakareer nila whenever I have a show here. Those 5 ladies there, are you 5 or 6? They always make something special for me. Kanina when I saw what they made, I almost cried. Yeah, pakita niyo naman, ladies, the Piolo girls. Hindi kayo makita, no?
Ayan, nabot ka sa kanila.
Yeah, they made a special shirt just for the show tonight. Yeah, no, tama. So, you're in the shadows. It's Joe, Sweet, si Tien. Si Tien naman hindi Piolo girl, naman si Tita Rose. Si Anne, si Shine. Yeah. Of course, si Tita Nitz Vasquez, ang mayamang kong tita, na maraming biniling ticket para sa Tonight Show. And the nurses of Harbor UCLA. And Kaiser of Harbor City. And Crispy Burks. Ano nagaling niyo sa kasal namin? Honeymoon? Huh?
Anything you want. Anything. What do you want? What do you want?
Nakakakilig naman yun eh. Tita Dolly, Lydia, Richie, Cleo, Lanny, and Leah. Tito Raymond, Felipe, and Keith. And thanks to our security. Chris Pagtakhan. Where's Chris? Hey bro. Jeff B2. Froy. Mikey. Si Mikey. Si Bitoy. Bitoy, isang smile nga dyan. Iya naman! Si Tito Ferdy. Tito Ferds. Tito Ferds, salamat po Berkeley. And si Dudes. Alright, bro. Thanks, guys.
That's okay.
Okay, what else? Yes, I'd like to greet our director for today's show, tonight's show, Mr. Louie. Happy birthday. Asan si pwede mag-artista, Louie. There you go. Happy birthday, is that you? Where? Ayun, hi sir. Happy birthday. Kala mo, hindi ko alam naman. Okay, at this point, we'd like to thank our sponsors. Lubos-lubusin ko na, alright? We'd like to acknowledge, of course, our